Hello bakers, and welcome back to day 8 of the 12 Bakes of Christmas, my festive series where I'm bringing you a brand new recipe each day in the run up to Christmas. If you missed yesterday's recipe for these Christmassy frangipans with mincemeat, then check out the links down below in the description to catch up. But let's see what new recipe we have for you today. Nothing beats the winter cold like a warm, homemade, hearty soup. So I'm serving up the perfect winter soup recipe for you to serve on Christmas Day. The thing I love most about homemade soups is that you can tailor it to your tastes. So whether you want to add in your own favourite vegetables or different spices, you can make it perfect for your family. To begin, you want to dice 1 red onion and then fry it with some olive oil until nice and soft. Slice 3 celery sticks and roughly chop 3 to 4 carrots before adding them into your mix. Stir through and leave on a medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next you want to chop up your vegetables. I've used 1 small butternut squash, 2 sweet potatoes and 2 large parsnips. We're going to blend this later so you can leave them quite chunky, but obviously we want them to cook quickly. When you're happy with your vegetables, add them into the pan, giving it a good stir. Now it's time to season the soup. I've used coriander, pepper, salt, nutmeg and 500 milliliters of vegetable stock. Mix it well and then leave to simmer for 20 minutes until all the vegetables are fully cooked. Now depending on the size of your saucepan, you might want to make this in 2 separate batches. That's because if we overcrowd the saucepan, we won't be able to get enough stock in and the vegetables won't be able to soak up all that flavour. Once cooked, it's time to blend the soup. I've made so much that I've had to put it into my KitchenAid bowl and then use the blender to pulse it through. If the mixture looks too thick, then add in some extra vegetable stock until you get to your desired consistency. This is a great way to get some much needed vitamins into your system over the winter period. We've turned all of these vegetables into a delightfully smooth soup. Serve warm with a drizzle of cream, garnish with coriander, and you're good to go. Homemade soup goes perfectly with homemade bread, so why not whip some of that up as well, and then you have the perfect starter for your Christmas Day meal. That is all for today's recipe. If you liked it, make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.